Okay, so our goal today, we just want to go ahead and talk about any questions you had on the assignments. You got your quiz tomorrow, and then Monday you rotate back over to Mr. Schmidt. I, in fact, will not see you again until after Thanksgiving. So, yes, let's go ahead and get you roll. There we go. There you go. All right, let's get to it. So, all right, what questions do we have? Number one. Okay. Now you're going to notice a lot of these problems, they're just basically matching, so one side or possibly both could need to be simplified. So here in the equation above, a, b, and c are constants. If the equation is true for all values of x, what is a plus b plus c? Okay, so the first thing I would do is go ahead and distribute this 30 here. So that's going to be a 30 x cubed. What's 1/6 of 30? Plus 5 x squared. And then plus, I need 2/3 of it. That'd be 20. So 2/3 x times 30 is 20x. Is equal to ax cubed plus a bx squared plus cx. I ran into the other problem, but that's okay. All right. So if I go ahead and start comparing these, I know that the coefficients of the like terms, they've got to be the same. So this tells me that 30 is A, 5 is B, and that 20 has got to be C. So all we want is A plus B plus C, which would be what? 55. 30 plus 5 plus 20. There we go. Okay. What else? Patrick, you're already good? Okay. Okay. 6. Let's take a look at 6. Okay. All right. So 3x plus a times 3 minus 2x equals 12 minus 7x. In the equation above, a is a constant. If the equation has no solutions, what's the value of a? All right. First thing, let's go ahead and clean this up a little bit. So I'm going to have 3x plus 3a, okay, minus 2ax. And then we're going to set this equal to 12 minus 7x. Okay. So what should I do from here? Okay, we can go ahead. We have a couple of like terms that we can combine. So if I subtract this 3x over, I'm going to have 3a minus 2ax is equal to 12 minus 10x. Okay. Now what? Okay, here we go. So just like we did before, I'm going to go ahead and compare what we've got. So yeah, this negative 2a has got to equal negative 10 because they're both coefficients of x. Okay? And we could also say that, well, actually, I'm not going to say that until we finish this up. So negative 2a is equal to a negative 10. So a is equal to, looks like I'm getting 5. Okay. All right. And there we go. Is that good? Okay. All right. What else? So we know Patrick is done. Okay. Okay, don't let peer pressure affect you. If there's any more questions out there, remember one of those you don't know how to work could be on the quiz. I do too. I hear that internal struggle. I want to ask, but I don't want to ask. Well, we know you don't yet. I got you. I got you. You don't hear any internal struggle? I'm actually quite accustomed to that as a teacher. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Absolutely. Very mindful, very demure. I know that's old, but I still, I'm with it. Okay, yes. 10. Let's take a look at 10. Okay. Let's see here. So number 10, it says if AB plus A over B equals A over B plus 5 for all values of B, what's the value of A? Okay, so you'll notice we got fractions. The first thing I would do here is go ahead and multiply through by a common denominator. In this case, it's just B. Okay, so first up, that's going to give me AB plus A, because those B's are going to cancel. And that should equal A, because once again, those B's are out. And then plus 5B. All right. Now we're trying to figure out A, so ideas. Equals 5. Okay. Because we can already tell if I compare these two, okay, so that coefficient A has got to equal that coefficient 5. So if A is equal to 5, well, we just figured out what that is too. Okay. So B equals. Okay. Guys, that good? All right. Any other questions? That is a small equal sign. Would you like me to make it bigger? You sure? It's no trouble. There you go. The internal struggle. Okay. Any other questions? Don't be shy. 16. Okay, here we go. 16. All right. So we've got this rational equation. Now, if x is greater than 1, what is the solution to the equation above? Okay, so we're looking for some value that's going to make this a true statement. Okay, so it looks like we might not be filling up the entire class period today because there's not a ton of questions. So at this point, why don't we get somebody up here to help me out? LeSean, you want to do it? Okay. All right. So LeSean, what are we going to do?
So common denominator is x squared minus 1. So multiply both sides by that. And then, because x squared minus 1 is x minus 1 times x plus 1.
Difference of squares, okay.
Yeah, so you can just like do to each term. So this one becomes 4 times x plus 1. This is 2 times x minus 1. This is just 35.
Okay.
And then from here we can just simplify.
X plus 4. X plus 2 equals 35. Fantastic. Oh. Okay. There we go. Or if you wanted to leave it as a fraction, 11 halves is just as good. Okay. Right. So he went through that super fast. Anybody have any questions on what LeSean did? Not at all? Okay, so Patrick's good? Okay. Kai, you good with that? Okay. So 5.5 or 11 halves. All right. Any other questions? Okay. Well, I know you're good, Patrick. I just want everybody to have the same opportunity. Any other questions? Okay, going once. Going twice. 2 3/4. Okay, sold. So if you do end up having any other questions, don't hesitate. Come on up. Let me know. I'll see what I can do to help you out.